Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Dyson vacuum cleaner on the market, the Dyson V7 Advanced Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for powerful suction, convenience, and the latest in home cleaning technology, this is the vacuum that should be on your radar. The Dyson V7 Advanced is a cordless vacuum that's designed to make cleaning quick and easy, with the added benefit of not being tied down by a power cord. With the Dyson Digital Motor V7, this vacuum delivers incredible suction power to tackle even the toughest dirt and debris. It's engineered for both hard floors and carpets, ensuring that every surface in your home is left spotless. What sets the V7 apart is its versatility. Weighing in at only 5.58 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, which makes it easy to carry from room to room. Whether you're cleaning your living room, kitchen, or even your car, the V7 adapts to any environment. Its instant release trigger only uses battery power when it's cleaning, extending its runtime and making it more efficient. Speaking of which, you'll get up to 30 minutes of cleaning time when using a non-motorized tool, perfect for daily maintenance. When it comes to deep cleaning, the Dyson V7 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a direct drive cleaner head, it has up to 6 minutes of fade-free power in max mode, allowing you to push deep into carpets to pull out ground and dirt and dust. This extra power is perfect for those extra tough spots where regular vacuums may not reach. But Dyson didn't just focus on suction power. The V7 also features fully sealed filtration that traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. With every use, you can rest assured that it's not just cleaning your floors, but also improving the air quality in your home. One of the most convenient features is the hygienic bin emptying system, which means you don't have to touch the dirt when it's time to dispose of it. Simply press a button to release the dirt, and you're done. The bin holds up to 0.14 gallons, so it doesn't need to be emptied constantly. If you're someone who values convenience and quality, the Dyson V7 Advanced is a game changer. It's easy to use, easy to store, and incredibly effective. Whether you're tackling everyday dust or doing a deep clean, this vacuum has you covered. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review of the best products out there.